Hello everybody. Today we're looking at the SNAPE rule on solubility, and SNAPE stands for sodium, nitrates, ammonium, potassium and ethanoate. All of those ions and substances that contain those ions, they're all soluble. So if I had, say, sodium chloride, it would be soluble. If I had nickel nitrate, it would be soluble. If I had ammonium sulfate, it would be soluble. If I had potassium bromide, it would be soluble. If I had iron ethanoate, it would be soluble. So all those ions in chemicals are soluble. And we can use this to solve problems like the one just below here. We've got sodium sulfate. So we've got the sodium. In the product that's going to appear over this side, that's going to be a soluble compound. So whatever it is that we're going to end up with, we're going to have sodium something is going to be soluble. The sulfate doesn't appear in our list of soluble compounds, so maybe that will be part of the precipitate, because we're going to get a precipitation reaction happening here. The nitrate over here, that's going to be soluble because that's in our list of SNAPE chemicals. So we are going to get sodium nitrate. That's going to be still in a solution. Okay, so we've kind of answered the question now already by default, because we know whatever it is that's going to be the precipitate, it's not going to be sodium and it's not going to be nitrate. It's going to be something else. So we're going to find the precipitate over here now. It's going to be what's left over. The barium, Ba, and it's going to be the sulfate, SO4. That's going to be the precipitate. That's going to be a solid. So there's our answer. When you mix sodium sulfate with barium nitrate, the sodium and the nitrate stay soluble, they stay dissolved, but you get the barium sulfate is the precipitate. Okay. Now, over to you. If I mixed a solution of potassium sulfate and silver nitrate, what would be the product? What would precipitate? Or if I mixed calcium chloride and ammonium sulfate, what would be the precipitate? Work those two out, email me the answers, and I'll confirm for you, or otherwise, I'll let you know how you went. Thanks. Bye.